Good evening, everyone. Myself, Kadambari Khandai. As Jawarkar sir had came to us and taught us about English grammar. It was a very enjoyable lecture. He taught with a lot of enthusiasm. At the age of 66, he was really very energetic. He not only taught about grammar, but also about he gave us life lessons that take every day as a new challenge and learn every day something new, which was really good. When I was telling about this to my father, he told that he taught my father too, and I got this great opportunity to learn from him. Thank you.
Good evening. Myself, Urguved Ritesh Kulkarni. Now I am giving a review about the lecture taken by S.P. Javalkar sir. Being that old at the age of 66, he was a very energetic, more than the students, and he was on the point. He taught us many grammar topics which was considered as very silly topics but very important topics as per the exam view point of view, and the energy flowing from him was very positive and very nice, and the topics was very nice. Thank you.
Jai Hind sir, myself Prajiti Prakash Purane. Yesterday you came in our school SPI course. You gave us lot of information about English grammar. It was very helpful for us. It was very important for us. At the age of 66, he gave us information about English grammar. He was very energetic by giving that information about English grammar. So I would like to say that if you will come in once again, you will come in our SPI course. It will very helpful for us. Thank you.
Jai Hind, I am Asmita Pankaj Borekar. I am very thankful to Jawarkar sir because they taught us English grammar. Till the 10th, many teachers came us to taught English in classes, in school, but the Jawarkar sir was taught us English very well. The every teacher have their different quality about teaching, but the Jawarkar sir that prove them by their teaching. They taught us for grammar topic that was very nice, and we understand it very simply. Thank you.
Yes. Jai Hind everyone, myself Harshvardhan Sachin Gade. Day before yesterday, S.P. Javalkar sir lecture was happened and he taught us English grammar and few topics of grammars. And this sir taught very impressively, and he is very energetic person at the age of 66 years. And I don't know the perfect age, but and he is very Josh type person, like his personality and his knowledge. He is a ocean of knowledge, and he teaches how to live a life and how to use English grammar day by day and how to improve our English. He is very. I also think that he is a good number one teacher of English grammar in the world. Thank you.
Jai Hind to all. Myself Arya. As we know, some days ago, the S.P. Javalkar sir was came. As everyone said that their teaching pattern was really interesting and all. It was not a boring also, as they proved themselves by their name, as it's an S.P. Javalkar sir. It was same as they were with everyone freely, and their energy was also like more than us. We are younger than them, but still their energy was higher than us. And also that teaching pattern, they while teaching they also taught us about the importance of grammar, and also by teaching that subject only not teach us how to speak, they also taught us the hobbies and how to live and etc. They also showed their hobbies of the shairi and all. Thank you for that.
Good evening, everyone. Myself Rani Zadhav. I'm here to give some feedback about that this lecture. Actually, it was conducted by S.P. Javalkar sir. it was too enthusiastic that firstly in my life, after such a big miss, I've never seen such a man who has been such miss, who has an age of 66 and he had taught us. He was such a, he was miss, his teaching sense was too good that I liked it too much. Each and everything of his, not only talking about means, not only sharing, not only teaching, but he has also shared some incidents of his life. Actually, when he entered our class, he just talked in Japanese, in Japanese. Actually, each and everyone was looking at him like he is talking about something else. But at the last, he told that he knows more than 6 languages. Actually, I was shocked about it because knowing Japanese and other languages, it is not that much easy. And as commandant sir did the introduction of his, he also told about that he is the best teacher for teaching the grammar, and many topics of mine has been clear. Many doubts of mine was cleared by him. Especially, it was just not that much bigger ones, but I learned so many things from him, which I was not knowing up till now. So thank you, sir.
Jai Hind everyone, myself Rituja Sangre. My lecture topic is social media. So, social media, we use social media in very big quantity. Social media is the important factor in our life nowadays. Social media is also important and non-important thing in our life. Firstly, we will talk on positive things because positive things makes positive environment. So, in positive things, social media, because of social media, people get connected to each other. They can share their ideas, thoughts, their opinions, and they can express their feelings on by various biggest technologies and all. And another thing is, because of social media, the world is connected as because of social media, world is looking like a small, and we can see live things in every corner of the earth. Not just earth, we can see the planets and all on the because of social media. Now we will talk about negative things. Because of social media, people get addicted to mobile and many technological things, and because of social media, even people get connected to each other, but the negative thing is people get lost. The people lose relations because of social media. The excessive use of social media, uh, the excessive use of social media, excessive. Thank you.
Good evening, friends. I Divya. I will tell about the Navodaya, and it's my school, and it's a central government school. It is established in 1986. It was the aim of it was the dream of our Jawaharlal Nehru ji to establish one school for the rural people's children, and to grow them, and thought and told them how world is and how the competition in the world. But it's not possible. Then in 1986, our prime minister, uh, Rajiv Gandhi ji, they complete their dreams, and they give name Jawaharlal Navodaya Vidyalaya. It is the one type of central government school. There was 18 seats in class 6, and the school is in all districts, in all states of India. In fifth class there was an entrance exam, and it conducted by the JNVST. They select the top 18 students from the district, and after that, if anyone leave the JNV, then it's also conducted in class 9 and also in class 11. and I will tell about my experience in Navodaya. I joined the Navodaya in 3rd of July 2019. It was the day that I can't forget in my life, because that day I was leaving my home and I was sacrificing my mother and father. From that day I was in Navodaya. That day I was alone, who is crying, and but when I was lived in Navodaya on 11th March 2024, it was the day there was my friends, my juniors and my seniors. They was crying for me. When I went Navodaya in 6th class, that year is just like for crying. We are just then 7th class there is a COVID, we are at home, and 8th class there was a captainship, because there was a junior seniors in junior section. There was a 8th class is the senior, there was a captainship. I was a captain of Nilgiri Junior House. Then I that from that I will get a new experience from the, because I want to hold the hall or hold the house. I want to just to there was the juniors and I want to give them respects. For to seniors also I want to give the respects, and solve their problems. They, because they come from they are coming in 6th class, they are just crying. Then how to solve their problems, how to then after 9th class there was a migration. Our 25 students went to Himachal Pradesh, and their 25 students come in our school. From that experience I teach the Himachal cultures, Pahadi language and their dance. And but unfortunately I am in NCC, that's why I am lost that I am not permitted to go Himachal. Then in 10th class there was a board class. There is no, just like there is board class only to study, but we are thinking that our last year is in the Navodaya. All just I am leaving only one who is leaving the Navodaya in 10th class, but all my friends are in 11th, 12th also there. So I was missing them. Just thank you.